Accuracy is the most tempting metric in all of classification. And one of the most dangerous. Let me show you how it can lie, right to your face. Accuracy is beautifully simple. Of all predictions, what fraction were correct? From our matrix, that's the green diagonal over the total. 75 out of 100. 75%. 75%. Sounds like a solid model, right? Usually, yes. But it depends entirely on the data underneath. Here's the catch. Suppose churn is rare. Only 5 customers in 100 actually leave. 95 stay. The classes are badly imbalanced. Now watch a lazy model that does no work at all. It ignores every feature and always predicts stay. Its accuracy? 95%. Higher than our real, hard-working model. But look at its confusion matrix. It caught 0 of the 5 churners, every single one a false negative. The one thing we actually cared about, it failed at completely. This is the accuracy paradox. 95% accurate, and 0% useful. On imbalanced data, accuracy rewards the lazy majority guess and hides the failures that actually matter. So we need metrics that zoom in on the class we actually care about, the churners. That is exactly what precision and recall are built to do. Accuracy is fine when the classes are balanced, but treacherous when they're not. Always look at what's hiding behind the number. Next, the 2 metrics that fix it, precision and recall.